I got this email from American Welding Society saying that CWIs and senior certified welding inspectors are now qualified to get their cert from American Society for Non-Destructive Testing, their level 2 cert. Only thing they need to do is fill out the application and pay the fee. You don't have to take no test or anything. So I'm gonna just walk you through this very quickly. I'm making this video on the spare of the moment. I thought maybe I can get it out there so you guys could get this benefit right here. The only thing you need to be is current with your CWI, and what you need to do is get a copy of the wallet size, and you need to go take an eye exam and also fill out the paperwork that is required. So we're going to go on their website and I'm going to show you what you need. So right here you need make sure your current address, and you want your experience form fill out. You don't have to do this unless you're doing the pressure equipment, but this one you need a current copy of your CWI and your visual exam and a passport photo and the signature pad. So let's go through the process right here. I'm going to show you. This right here is the visual requirements. You need to take this to your eye examiner, and you need to sign your signature here and just run copies of it and put it on your computer. And this is the fee. This is what people want to know right here. It's $200 to get that. So it's good. You'll have that cert. So we're going to go through the process. And if you don't have an account with American Society for Non-Destructive Testing, you can fill out one and get you an account. So I'm just going through the process of filling out one. I never had one before. And this is another cert you can put on your resume. You know, you're saying that you're a level 2 NDT with VT, visual testing. So we're gonna go through the process of filling out this cert. So as you can see, I'm going through this really quickly just to show you what it looks like. Right here, you want to put apply right here. You're going to look for the one that says CWI. So this is a level 2, so you don't have to take no test or anything. Only thing you got to do is fill out this information. And make sure you got these forms filled out and scanned on your computer, so when you're going through the process of uploading everything, they're available. So you want to go ahead and finish the application. So this is going to be the VT, and as you can see, I added what I want. I hit continue. So right here you're going to upload 4 documents. As you can see, I uploaded my AC photo, my signature, my eye exam, and also one more form is a copy of your CWI. And you just read through this stuff and accept the agreements. And hit agree. And here goes the hard part, paying the money. So you can put this on your credit card, or you can do a check form on here. Just go through the process and fill out your information. And once you fill it out, they're going to send you a receipt to your email, and you just wait 2 to 4 weeks and you'll have your cert. All right, hope this video helped.